Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Top Thrill Dragster construction update. We went to the park right at open this morning to check out the Top Hat paint job from the ground. Lo and behold, there are a bunch of new teasers on the midway fence. We won't give any commentary or opinion and just share a nice morning walk down the midway. Please let us know what you think about the new teasers and what you think they might mean. We hope you enjoyed today's update of the Top Thrill Dragster Reimagination project. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to tune into our next update. And we'll see you next time on Lake Erie Lifestyles.